Hereford area because that's that type of sandstone rock. It's likely that this would have been the base of a plinth. It may have had an arcade coming off it, but it's very difficult to work out. We don't have much more of the archaeology surviving than that. This itself is where the tribunal would have sat, because court would have been undertaken in the building in front. So those 4 stones sticking up would have had a bench, okay? And that bench itself is where the judge would have sat. That room itself is also for deliberations. It's likely that maybe this along here would have actually held a seat, okay? You can actually see holes sticking up there. There's a hole, okay? There's a hole there, and there's another hole there. Okay, and that would have held wooden seating. Okay, so that's the evidence for it. So this is where there would have been other deliberations. Okay, what's that? There's a hedge on. Let's move on.
Well, if you do not look at all the
Are we all gathering here?
Oh dear.
Jane? Everybody, I'm the judge, Jane's the guilty. Stand around the edges. Around the edges. But before we say any more, it was on this wall that from all the way from here, all the way through to over here, was actually the Roman plaster. It was a yellow in colour. That's where I am getting that evidence to actually mention what we saw back there in the farmhouse. Right, Jane, you are on trial, and I am the magistrate. I am the magistrate that's been elected by the good people of Kaya Went. Okay, and the magistrate would usually sit every 1 to 2 years. I was the one in charge. Jane, yes. You have been accused of procuring the money from the town and using it not to use in the construction of building the road, but in the building of a new canal into Kaya Went. And you are being charged of using the money wrongly.
Are you so
Because I am the magistrate. I would like the jury to find Jane guilty or not guilty, and if she's found guilty, she is to be found by death, by stoning. Okay? Now, Keith, have you got any evidence that building the canal has meant that trade has increased at Kaya Went? Yay or nay? Would you say the canal is more effective than the road?
Without a doubt, magistrate.
Okay, it's 1-1, one more. Lynn! Right, you are found not guilty.
Thank you, Lynn. I'll pay you later.
You are found not guilty. No, she's not been. No. In fact, next year we're going to elect you to be the magistrate. Right, what we're going to then do, we're going to move into the next room.